This is the front page of UpCycle. From here you can log in, sign up or reset your password. If you wish to reset your password, just enter your email address and you'll get a link to your email to do it from. Next, let's sign up. So enter your email, and if you enter a string that's not a valid email address, you'll get an error like this. So let's enter the correct one. And then you can press on the green button or the blue button on the keyboard. Either one works well. And the verification link has been sent to my email, so let's go there. Here it is. Let's follow the link. So it's now verified. Continue. And we're back in the app. Now let's enter the rest of the information. And as you can see, it will give error messages if the field is not validated correctly, so that's quite nice. And if we try setting an username that already exists, it will give an error too. So okay, let's fill in the information. And then continue. Add a profile photo if you want. And sign up. Alright, now we should be able to log in. And you can log in by email or username, whichever works. Alright, first actually let's try it with the wrong password, see what happens. Okay, so it gives an error message. That's quite nice. Let's log in now with the correct information. This is the front page, and from here you can filter the posts by keyword, city, category or condition. It also has infinite scrolling, so when you keep scrolling down, you'll get more posts as you go. So for example, there's the backpack. Let's try searching that one. Backpack seems to work great. And let's search by the city. Right now Helsinki is the only city that there are posts in, so there are none in the other cities, but let's find Helsinki. Here it is, and all the posts show. Then let's check category, and maybe let's select lamps, 2 lamps here, or maybe clothes and jackets. There's 1 jacket there. Then you can also filter by the condition, so if you want new items only, select new, and if you want maybe slightly used, you can select slightly used, so that's great. Now I'll go to a single post and see how it looks. So for example, here's a set of matches. Seems like it has 2 images, so we can easily slide between the images like this. That's quite nice too. And below the image there are the relevant information, so the price, the city, the title, the condition and the description. There's also the red heart button on the right. If you press on that one, the post will be added to your favorites, so when you go to the favorites tab, it will be found there. And if you press on it again, it will be removed and this page will be shown. That's quite nice. And for the chats, it's the same, so if you have no chats, then it will show this page. Let's find some new items like the page says. So maybe this one, and we can see the price is €5. Maybe we want to buy it. Let's check the profile of this user. Here's the profile. The profile also has infinite scrolling, so more posts will be loaded as you go down. We can follow the user if we want. Then we'll find ourselves in the followers of this user, and we can follow the followers of this user from this view easily. So, and now if we would want to buy something, we could message the user. That's a good starting point. So hey there, and send. Alright, it seems to work. And if we want to send images to the user, we can click the add image icon. We'll get this menu, and let's select one from the gallery. Let's try sending it. Seems to work. And if you press on this image, you'll go to this view which you can zoom it from, so that's quite nice. I'll also try adding 2 images to the same message, see how it looks. So send 2 images, press on send. And now there's this message which has images that are a bit smaller than the single image message, so now they can all fit into the same message. And we can press on the single image and it'll go to this view which we can zoom it from, so works great. Now if we go to the chats tab, we can find the chat that we just created from here. If we press on the chat for a bit of a time, we can see this menu and we can then archive the chat from there. When we archive it, it'll go to the archive tab. From here we can then unarchive it very easily. Good. Okay, and then this is my own profile. I don't have any posts yet, so maybe I'll try adding one. I have a book named Refactoring Code that I would like to sell. Let's sell it for 20 euros. And the city will be shown when you enter the postcode. A great coding book. These fields are also validated, as you can see, so postcode must be, for example, 5 characters long. Select the condition, categories, books, information books, and then add some photos. And we can crop the photo from that view. Let's add a second photo. If you press on the photo that's already added, you'll get this menu and you can delete it from there or add a new one. So let's add it back. And it should have all the information. Let's press on submit. Okay, so here's the post we just created. We can slide between the images, we can favorite it just like before. And one thing, because this is my own post, there's the 3 dots in the top right of the post. If we press on that, we'll get this menu. From this menu we can delete the post or we can edit it. So let's edit it. Okay, maybe I wanna change the title to a coding book. And the price to 30 euros. Let's see what happens. Submit, then go back, and the title and the price have changed, so it works great. The same kind of editing view can be found from my own profile, so if you press on edit profile, you can edit your own profile information. From here you can maybe add a new photo. We can also use the camera. Let's see. I don't have any good photos from the camera, but let's use this one and see what happens. Press on save changes. And the photo is changed in the bottom right of the tab navigator too. That's quite nice. And then we can maybe change our bio. Save changes. And it has been changed. So first changes are made to the backend, and after a successful change they are updated in the front end locally. So okay, what else? I can show you the settings tab. So from the top right of your own profile you can click the gear icon. From there you can change your email. if you change your email, just enter a new one and you'll get the email verification link to that address, and when you press on that one it will be changed. Next, you can also change your password, so just enter a new password and the password confirmation and hit on save password and it will be saved. Easy. I think that's the main things. One thing actually, also a neat thing, that you can go to the next field in the forms from the keyboard too. So in the bottom right of the keyboard you can see the next button, the gray button. If you press on that, it'll go to the next field. That's quite nice too. That should be all. I really enjoyed making this project and I look forward to making more projects with React and React Native. And yeah, have a good day.